Hello, Fozzie here. Just got my brand new Autel EVO 2 8K drone. And right out of the box, we had a couple issues. Well, just one really. It wouldn't connect with the remote. Tried everything, tried repairing it. Couldn't come up with any answers. So finally I got on the phone, call up Autel customer service. And I have to say, they were great, really. I mean, they got right back to me. They got right on the problem. We went through a couple little things, and then they said, hey, let's send us a video of this drone and show us what it's doing. So I did, and this is what the video looked like. After I sent them the video, they got right back to me and said, okay, just box that up and send it back to us. So that was, Friday, right before Memorial Day weekend. So I boxed it up, took it down to the store, shipped it off to them, sent them a copy of the tracking list that it was complete and sent. And they sent the new one right away. I was really pretty amazed. I sent it down on Friday, and it was a holiday weekend, obviously, a 3-day holiday weekend. I got my new drone on Tuesday. And took it out of the box, hooked it up, and the thing operates great. Actually, I love it. So I'm going to give 100% satisfaction to Autel customer service. Those guys were really on top of it. They were very helpful, and I appreciate it. And I've really been enjoying the drone. It's not too often I get to say these days that someone's customer service was great, but Autel Robotics, you guys are on top of it. Thanks.